Hello my friends, another video. Hope you're fine now friends. In this video once again I'm talking about the NFTART Finance token. What's the current price of the NFTART Finance token? What's the prices occur in the NFTART? And especially in this video I'm talking about the very important update of the NFTART, which is very important for all of you, which you need to see this update. So keep watch this video till the end friends. And if you're new to my channel, so please subscribe to this channel for more this kind of news and updates videos. Anyways my friends, let's start the video friends and let's move on. So friends, first of all, the current price of the NFTART Finance in the market is 0.00000001 USD dollar is the current price of the NFTART Finance. On the other side, if you look the prices occur in the NFTART, so 15.15% negative change occur in the NFTART. And on the other side, if you look the price changes occur in the NFTART, so let's see my friends the price chart of NFTART for more details. They are allowing. So if you don't subscribe, so please once again I request that please subscribe ABS Tech channel friends. As you can see here, if you look the previous time changes occur in the NFTART, so absolutely the previous time change occur in the NFTART is going positive, but unfortunately if you look the current condition of the NFTART, especially at this time, so now at this time the price change is going down, but that's not mean that the price of the NFTART Finance is going down to you decide to sell art finance. No, you have to hold NFTART Finance for a long time. I know at this time the prices occur in the NFTART Finance is negative, but as you can see here, the current price of the NFTART Finance is very low friends. If you decide to sell NFTART Finance on this price, so the price is very low, and I think that you will not get any good amount of profit at this time. So you have to hold for a long time. That is how you can get a good amount of profit from the NFTART Finance. If you look the fully diluted market cap, so the diluted market cap is also fast down 13.62% fast down NFTART Finance friends. Now I know this time the pricing is negative, but that is why after that again I'm suggest for all of you to please hold, don't sell NFTART Finance. And my prediction about NFTART Finance is positive. What's your prediction? What's your opinion about NFTART Finance? Please share in the comment box. And kindly friends, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.